Hi everyone, I'm Tommy. We've received inquiries from customers asking how to separate stock disc type magnetic couplings. Since customers were eager to use our products to resolve the issue promptly, I provided a method for manually separating the couplings. However, this method is only applicable for small diameter disc-type magnetic couplings and may not be effective for large ones. In our factory, we utilize this method to separate adhered neodymium magnets, and it can also be used to separate disc-type couplings. To begin, we gather two wooden sticks with the thickness depending on the diameter of the magnets you intend to separate. Large magnets require thicker wooden sticks. Drive holes through the wooden sticks and assemble them into the simple wooden shell. To prevent slippage, I screwed an anti-slip screw onto one side of the wooden shell. Let's see how it works. If you require disc type couplings, please contact us. We are original manufacturer and ship globally. The larger the order quantity, the greater the discount. If you like our video, please remember like and follow us.